Let's clear up the hype around GLP-1. There's a lot of noise online right now, quick fixes and extreme promises. So let's be honest, GLP-1 does not remove hunger completely. You will still feel hunger, just in a more regulated, balanced way. It does not replace healthy habits. It works best with intentional nutrition, movement, and sleep. Every body is different, and real progress is gradual. Healthy weight loss is steady. At StartZion, we choose honesty over hype and medical guidance over trends, because sustainable results last longer than viral promises. If you're considering GLP-1, ask questions and seek professional guidance. Follow StartZion for honest education. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more educational videos as we walk through this journey together.